Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland. 7A Tyburnia Ave is a super cute 2-bedroom home that is a perfect chance for a first-time buyer to get into the Western City fringe. Located just off Owaraka Ave with all of the amenities of Sandringham Village and Mount Albert very close by. Full of character, with polished floors, wooden joinery and an original fireplace, this home is certainly going to have some appeal. We think this is going to be a super popular little home, so make sure to add it to your watch list and come along on the weekend to the open homes. See you there.